Welcome, it's Emma here, hoping to bring you some fun with the project today, Fiddlesticks and Rurry Sticks, brought to you by Artworks and the Black Dog Community Art Project. You will need one long pipe cleaner, and to begin with, tie a double knot at one end of your pipe cleaner and come along and have a play. Once you've tied the knot in your pipe cleaner, you will need to find 20 or more mini to small pony beads or similar beads that slide easily up and down your pipe cleaner. Thread the 20 beads in any pattern you require or would like to make it aesthetically pleasing onto your pipe cleaner. Once you've put the 20 beads on, remember to tie a double knot at the other end so your beads don't fall off. They will look like this. Then the fun begins, and we'll show you shortly how to use your rurry sticks and your fiddle sticks. Please enjoy the activity and make one for a friend and have lots of fun. This is what a collection of rurry sticks look like. Welcome to our second stick. This is made with one pipe cleaner, which you tie at a knot at one end. Then you thread about 20 beads on. There can be smaller beads than the previous stick. And then you tie a knot at the other end. This is called our fiddle stick or our rurry stick. Now what you can do, you can hold it horizontally or vertically, and you just move the beads around however you feel like. You can move two at a time, one at a time, move them up and down, backwards and forwards, and this just gets your mind on doing your mind off what's worrying you, and you're just focusing on moving the beads, which gives you an activity to relax and bring about wellness and good mental health. So while you're doing that, you can also wear this when we get the beads down one end. For children who love making these, you can wear it as a bracelet. So we'll just give you a demonstration of how it is like that. So our little kids, they would have the pipe cleaner round like that. They would, we're having a bit of problem, there we go, like that, and they would have a quite an expansive pipe cleaner left with no beads, and they would just push the beads round on their bracelets. These are great for them to keep in their school bags, in their lunch box, in a plastic bag or a recycle bag these days, and they're great to keep in the car, in your handbag, in your suitcase, in a pocket, attached to a key ring. You can just spend endless moments fiddling around with them, making different shapes like snakes and swirls and curves, crosses, knots, and then just fiddle with the beads. You'll find that it's quite addictive. They're fun to make, and they're just a tool for relaxation. So I hope you enjoy making yours, and maybe you make many. One little rule I like to have when we make this activity is that you make one for yourself and one for a friend, and then it can become a friendship bracelet or a friendship stick as well. So enjoy making yours, and I'll look forward to showing you the next project we'll have in mind. Stay tuned. Thank you for participating, and I hope you get some relaxation and some less worries out of using your rurry or fiddle stick. Thank you.